I'm driving a truck on a mountain road. I got a hot rod rig and I'm flying low. My eyes are filled with diesel smoke. These hairpin curves ain't no joke.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
Out last night drinking beer with a guy who's got an aching head and bloodshot eyes. Ended up with a pretty little dame. I can't even remember her name.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
Got another little gal at the bottom of the grade. She's got the coffee already made. Better keep my eyes on this road, going down a hill with a heavy load.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
Boy, if I deliver this hot-shot freight, I gotta get going, I'm running late. This mountain grade is mighty steep, can't stay awake, ain't had no sleep.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
Gee, I guess I closed my eyes a while. Here I am a-running wild. Burn my brakes and strip my gears, have to ride her down, I fear.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.
Should've left them women alone. It's too late now, I think I'm gone. Gotta get myself out of this fix, cause I tried to mix.
Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.